Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Paint with Diamonds. They did contact me and asked if I would review one of their products, so thank you to Paint with Diamonds. So this did come from China, but they do have some diamond paintings that are available in the US. Just the one I chose was not available in the US, so this did ship from China, and it was originally in one of those, you know, silver packaging, outside packaging. I just took it off because it had all my info in there. So there's the diamond painting. Okay, I got everything. So let's see. Paint with Diamonds, welcome to the family. Now let's get started. So they do have a brochure, I guess telling you how to do things. And there's their, what do you call that? Contact info. So let's see. So the toolkit looks like just a white boat with some pink wax, so, sparkly pen with a squishy, and a 4-placer, and this is probably a 9-placer. Oh, there's 2 plates of wax, and there is some of the sharper tweezers. And their drills do come in the baggies. They are not in order or anything. I did get squares. You can get rounds or squares. I get squares because I always try out squares whenever... Usually I try out squares whenever I get a new company because that's where you could really see the quality. So it does look like they're using the same manufacturer as a common manufacturer that you see so often. Which I don't mind. I've had good success from this manufacturer. So it does look like they're on double-sided adhesive. I did notice though in some of their listings they do have a poured glue listing. So like on their website on the top, they have like ship from the US, or I don't know if there's a ship from the US, but there's a 2-day shipping. So I'm guessing that's the ship from the US people. And then there's a poured glue section, but then I just chose this because I wanted this picture. So I got this picture here. It's these cats for Christmas. It's called Meowy Christmas. It is legally licensed to, and the artwork is by Jenny Newland. And I got the 45 by 60 size, but it looks like they do have several sizes ranging from 15 by 20 to 90 by 120. The 45 by 60 size is $54.99. But right now I'm looking at their site and it says there's a 20% off coupon code that's PWD20. So you could get it for some money off. So I'm just slowly. So it is on double-sided adhesive, but I don't mind double-sided adhesive. So the trick with double-sided adhesive is you should just like open it a little bit in the edges and it usually will flatten it out. And these are like the strips I like on double-sided adhesive. I feel like when I get the really big ones, that's when I rip it. So I actually prefer these little strips because one, it's easy sectioning off. So if you're like me and diamond paint by sections, these little strips do make it really easy to section off because you just unroll a portion and then you're like, okay, I'm going to do that much today. Oh, I should move you up. You're not seeing everything I'm doing. So let's So I'm just slowly opening the tape to release some of the, I don't know, if it releases like the air so that it's not as curled up. So I just do it at the edges, and it usually will, oops, I ripped that one. It will usually release the fold a little bit. See, it's not as folded at the edges. So I figured this would be one of my Christmas projects, which you're gonna see me kit this up soon because I have not done a paint with diamonds before. So yeah, it does look like, let me see if I can, open it up so you can see most of the picture here. So if it does rip, it's not really a big deal. Like if you get paper stuck on your canvas, you could easily take it off by just putting a baby wipe on it and like rubbing the paper with the, rubbing the diamond painting with a baby wipe and then letting it dry, and it'll be fine. So yeah, in case you ever do accidentally put some paper on your diamond painting, it's no big deal. You'll be fine. Just take it off with a baby wipe. So yeah, here it is. Well, at least as much of it as I'm willing to show here. Isn't it cute? The cats with the presents and things like that. So yeah, like I said, since I have not done a paint with diamonds yet, I will do this soon. Look out for the kitting up soon. You're not going to see the finish with this video. Yeah, I don't diamond paint that fast. Might seem like I do, but I don't. So let's look at a couple of the drills. I'm not going to look at them all because, oh wait, I didn't show you the legend here because I forgot. So it looks like there is 48 colors, which I'm happy with, and the symbols are lots of symbols, lots of letters. So, and I've done diamond paintings that looks like it was done by the same manufacturer of this kind of canvas here, and I don't usually have problems reading the symbols. So let's look at a couple drills. So it looks like tons of 310. Is it 310? Yep, there's always lots of 310. Yeah, like I said, I've done diamond paintings by this manufacturer before, and I don't tend to have many issues with them. So yeah, here's some more colors. I was hoping there'd be more red and green, you know, for the holidays. But yeah, I do like that there's 48 colors, so yeah, they're all in these baggies here. Oh wait, I didn't measure it. Is it really true to size? Let's see. It's supposed to be 45 by 60. Let's move you up a little bit. So it is 58, so a little bit smaller that direction, by 43.5. So a little bit smaller than the 45 by 60. But yeah, so yeah, that's all for my unboxing today. Look out for the kitting up of this soon. Might very well be this Friday or next Friday, depends. And thank you to Paint with Diamonds for sending me this item for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!